all from 2x4s, and it's lovely and braced, so it's not going to be collapsing and breaking on us. We needed to move the inverter to do it, but it was completely fine. And this will hold weight so much better than all the 2x2 of the previous construction. And you can see I got really lazy with my paint, knowing we were going to cover that up. I just didn't do it. Regarding the paint, lots of coats. I prepped the walls with cleaning them, which a lot of people have said, and then paint and primer. So I cleaned the walls, and I also just sanded everything. And there's some marks here from getting hit when we were moving the 2x4s in that I need to patch up. But anyways, yeah. So it just takes a lot of coats, and other people have said that it just takes a lot of coats and really letting it dry. And it was even kind of tacky to the touch, like probably about a week afterwards too. So I didn't end up doing anything with the actual countertop. Maybe there'll be another project. We had replaced the faucet last year. So we ripped out the heater, which didn't work anyways. So we pulled it out and we capped off the propane line that was there. And so now we've got like a tent heater that we'll use if we need it. These cupboards didn't have faces on them to begin with. And I actually just added some lips to that shelving, which happened way after the painting. So I need to go back and do some touch-up work. But now we have some nice lips so we can put things in there. And I think I'll put something on them. I don't want to put cabinet doors, but I'll figure out something. I have a few ideas. We also, big change, ripped out the refrigerator, which also wasn't working. And so that is now the new wardrobe. And so there's a propane line in there that also had to be capped. And so that's capped right there. You can see that. And then there's this huge vent behind the refrigerator, of course. And so you can't really see it in the video, but I have put a screen over it and then just this little curtain. And it actually gets a really nice breeze in through there. When it's cold, we'll probably make a little drop cover for it that we can drop in front of it so that it's not letting in a ton of cold air. But otherwise, I put the old hanging apparatus from the previous wardrobe, which was back next to the bunks, and hung it in there. And so we'll hang things up in there. But painted that, painted these fun drawers. So then the next big change, of course, we did a huge toilet redo last summer. We ripped out the sink because, let's be honest, in a camper this small, do you really need to have a sink right next to the toilet? No. So we ripped out all that cabinetry and the sink. We put in a bigger, better toilet. Again, if you look at the details, there's definitely a lot of piecework that could still be done, but we've done so much in 9 weeks. So this got all freshly painted, and we just bought this little shelf from Walmart, and it's just braced to the wall so that it won't go anywhere. We didn't do anything to the shower. I've been seeing so many people using the marine paint to redo the shower, but another project, another day. So the big, huge project was rebuilding this whole back corner, which was completely rotted with water damage, which meant ripping out the bunks and the wardrobe and the flooring, ripping out studs, marrying in new 2x2s and 2x4s to what was there that was still good. And having watched so many videos, I know that some people, to help them remove the old, they actually go ahead and take the siding off. We didn't do that. So it was kind of a challenge to get out the old stuff that didn't just crumble away. But you'll see in the photos, we kind of got rid of as much as we could, and then we married new wood to the old that was still good. I'm sure many people will criticize what we did, but it works for us. And yeah, so it's just fine. So now we have an RV full back here. We're really excited about it because our son sleeps in the queen over the cab. Not really sure how that happened, but that's how it goes. So now my husband and I can actually be in the bed together in the RV full, which is really great. We bought I think about a $200 mattress for it off of Amazon, and it's really, really nice. So that's exciting. So that all got new insulation, beadboard, just the works. That whole back corner was replaced, everything. Even there's a new, there is a new brake light in the back. That was not because of the wood rot, but because it had been damaged. So we replaced that too. And then the floor, which is kind of dirty, has lots of paint splatter that I still need to clean up with some acetone. But it was mostly done, but a lot of it had been coming up. And I tried some different things to get this flooring down, and nothing really worked the way I wanted it to. So I ended up just taking those teeny tiny little nails and just hammering them in. And you can see them there along with all the dirt. And that actually worked really well. And so again, you can see I've got little pieces that I need to kind of fill in. But in general, we're super happy about it. We kind of turned everything on today to see where we're at so we can actually get it out on the road pretty soon. And everything's good. We've got one little repair we need to make to the water heater so that water is not spilling out through the water heater. Anyways, the little heating element rod had broken off, and so we just need to put a bolt in it and it'll be great. We don't use the electric water heater anyways. We only use the propane one. So we have a little plug-in cooler that we're going to be using because we didn't have a fridge in here anyways last summer, which was fine. We had the fridge itself, which we just used to store food, but now we'll just put a cooler up there in the front, and we'll plug it into the cigarette lighter, and we'll kind of see how that goes. We'll see how much that drains the batteries. But in general, we are super happy and excited. Again, the details are not great. We have never done any kind of renovation work ever before. So this was really quite a large undertaking. And there were definitely moments when my husband was not happy. But between watching YouTube videos and the really fun RV interior exterior renovation Facebook page, I really just had a lot of motivation to like keep at it. And we got it all worked out, and we are just really excited. It's really kind of exactly perfect for us now. So anyways, yes, I also cannot for the life of me figure out how to make this bed without it being a major pain. So when you see everyone with these perfect corner beds in RVs, they clearly have invested some time climbing and tucking everything. That's just not happening. So, but the bed is awesome. Yeah. So there's our super improved 1987 Jamee. And we are really happy.